Hey there, we're going to do a super quick tutorial on how to make a newsletter or another mailer through the Acres of Timber app. It is a beautiful and easy to use system, so let's get started. You just go into marketing and into emails. And then up to this green button here, you're going to want to create an email. Now you'll see a few different templates, so just choose the one that lines up best with what you're trying to say. If you're doing a promotion, you would choose that one. I want to do a newsletter, so I feel this simple template is a really great starting point. So you go in here and all of these little nodes are very easy to edit. So I don't like the size that it makes the wood printer when I put it there. So instead, I'm going to drag and drop an image box. I can go over here and replace it with perfect, the wood printer image. Can edit the colors just by hitting this button here. If you want to add in a specific hex code, you can just do that right from there. And if you want the gradient palette, you just hit advanced and it'll take you there. I'll just make it yellow so it matches. Same with any of the pictures. You can just replace and then they will replace it. If you don't want one there, you can just hit that little trash can and it will delete it. And then for any text, you just click on the text node here and it'll all pop up. And the nice thing is you'll see it edit in real time. And you can also just highlight and change font, change the size, all of that sort of stuff right there in the editor. And that's really nice. You can add links, change all of the alignment, and all of that good stuff. Yeah. So then for buttons, very, very easy. Same thing. You have all of your editing options here. You can change the color. You can do all of that. You can change what it says, click me. And then you just put the URL in right here to wherever you want that button to go for the people who are clicking on it. And so that is actually pretty much all you need to know about this. It's, again, just a lot of customization options. You can have these edited to go to whatever URL you want them to go to. It's very easy. You just go to your page and highlight the URL and copy and paste it in there. If you don't love the layout, maybe you don't want a picture here, but you want a small picture and text, you can use these pre-made layouts. And you can just drag and drop them in. So this one gives me two options for content and more customization in here as well. If you want, different colors or different body patterns or anything like that, or maybe you want three different things, or maybe you want a 2/3, 1/3 aspect, you can change all of that just right in the column layout. And then I can drag text in one if I want to, and I can drag an image in one. If I want another button, maybe right below that, I could put that there too. And it's the same thing. I can go in and edit. So it's a really easy to use platform. It's got a lot of customization options in a very easy to use layout. So yeah, let us know if you have any questions, but I have the utmost confidence.